Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie spice, only way. Gather cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and allspice and measure them precisely. Use a digital scale or spoons for accuracy and toast whole spices briefly for deeper flavor. Grind to a fine powder, sift if needed, and store in an airtight jar away from light. Use within 3 months for best aroma and label the jar with the date made. Combine 4 parts cinnamon, 2 parts ginger, and 1 part each of nutmeg, cloves, and allspice to create a balanced pumpkin pie spice. Adjust the ginger for warmth and the nutmeg for sweetness to suit your taste. Mix thoroughly, taste a pinch, and tweak small amounts until satisfied. This simple ratio makes scaling easy for any batch size, and it keeps the spice consistent across pies, lattes, and baked goods. Toast whole spices in a dry skillet until fragrant, about 2 minutes, shaking constantly. Let cool before grinding to preserve volatile oils and avoid bitterness. Use a mortar and pestle or spice grinder and pulse to a fine powder, then sift and regrind any large pieces. Store in a cool, dark place and use wooden or glass utensils to prevent metallic flavors. Freshly ground spice is brighter and more aromatic than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.